Our heat wave continues with temperatures again into the 30s, moderating as we head into the weekend, but staying dry, hot and sunny for many of us. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Thursday, 14. And Richard Madeley.
Laura, what's your official verdict then?
Crunchy on top, gooey in the middle. This is literally my favourite dessert left on my last day on Earth. This will be it.
There's one thing missing, some ice cream.
I know, we are missing a mouthful of crumble.
So the odds of being struck by a meteorite are the same as the odds of being hit by a tornado, Kane, and the odds of being hit by a lightning strike, all at the same time.
All at the same time?
Wow.
Nigh on impossible.
OK, so
that
look
puts
up,
it in perspective,
watch
doesn't it?
the showers and feel safe.
But yeah, the meteor shower continues for the rest of the week, so happy viewing, but stay safe. Best day ever, good stats and a good crumble. Anyway, on with the weather. The weather is great for some of us. It is still too hot for others. Our heat wave continues. Yesterday, temperatures climbed again into the low 30s. Today, we're looking at the high 20s with the risk of some thunderstorms as that humidity rises across northern areas, but it stays hot and humid with those very muggy nights. This is how it looks first thing this morning. It is largely dry, but as we head through the day with the humidity building across Scotland and Northern Ireland, we'll have isolated but heavy showers and thunderstorms. Here, that's why we have a weather warning in force. Up to 40 millimetres of rain could fall in a really short space of time. Elsewhere, some isolated showers for parts of Wales. You'll see those clouds bubbling up through the day and more cloud for England and Wales today. And that's why the temperatures are not going to be quite as high. We're looking at temperatures into the high 20s rather than the low 30s. This evening and overnight, the skies are clear. So if you are heading out to view the Perseus meteor shower, the conditions are perfect. And don't forget to look out for the two brightest stars in the sky, which are actually Jupiter and Venus. Good morning to you. Our heat wave conditions continue across the UK. We've seen multiple days in a row of our thresholds to be reaching those criteria, and yet again, hot, humid weather with us. Not just here, right across Europe, those wildfires continuing as we see those record-breaking temperatures. This prolonged heat wave is here to stay in the continent and for us, but temperatures are as well. But it remains humid, temperatures holding up to 18 degrees. So let's see how these patterns we head through the next 7 days. So we look across the north of the UK, first of all, Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England. The white line is our temperature compared to where it should be for the time of year, and we are still way above that line across the north, but the temperature's coming back closer to average by the middle of next week. Welcome news if this heat is way too much for you. Percentage chance of rainfall, where we have the risk of showers and thunderstorms around today. The risk though reduces as we head through the rest of the weekend into next week before it turns wetter by the middle of next week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures compared to where they should be for the time of year. And again, we are above average. More dry, sunny weather continuing all week long. But again, signs of things turning back closer to average by the middle of next week. So not cooler, but definitely feeling more comfortable. Percentage chance of rainfall is low with the hot, dry, sunny weather, but all change for the middle of next week. Good morning to you. The high temperatures continue across the UK with heat conditions widely across the majority of the country. And with that rising humidity comes a threat of thunderstorms today across the north of the UK with a warning in force from the Met Office. It's fairly benign first thing this morning. We have some isolated showers for Wales and the southwest of England, a few for Scotland and Northern Ireland. But this is... Good morning to you. Heat wave conditions continue across the UK with temperatures peaking yesterday into the low 30s. But today is more of a story of, yes, it's hot and humid, but that rising humidity triggers the risk of some thunderstorms, this time across the north of the UK. The latest satellite and radar picks out that it is largely dry for eastern areas. Western areas already have some showers. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Our heat wave continues. These are the top temperatures we have as we head through the next 5 days, meaning the heat wave lasts well into the start of next week. Today is hot and humid, but we see more cloud around for England and Wales. As a result, it's not quite as sunny and warm as it was yesterday. Highs were into the low 30s, but watch out for thunderstorms across Scotland and Northern Ireland.